Hello everyone, welcome back to Vocab Junction. Get ready to learn the most frequently asked words in competitive exams. Say goodbye to vocabulary anxiety and hello to exam success. In this video, we'll break down high impact words to propel you towards victory. Our first word of the day is admonish, and it is a verb. It means to warn or reprimand someone gently but firmly. Root word admonish is derived from the Latin verb admonere, meaning to warn or advise. Examples: the doctor admonished the patient to stop smoking. Second one, the parent admonished the child to be careful when crossing the street. In simple words, admonish means to warn. Synonyms are warn, caution, reprimand, scold, rebuke. Antonyms are praise, encourage, commend.
You just interrupted me again while I was admonishing you for interrupting me.
I'm going to admonish you.
Next word is heterogeneous. It is an adjective. It means diverse in character or content. Root word heterogeneous comes from Greek word heteros, meaning other, and genos, meaning a kind. So, the literal meaning of heterogeneous is different kinds or mixed origins. Examples: the artist created a heterogeneous sculpture combining wood, metal and glass. Second one, the city's population is heterogeneous with people from different cultures and backgrounds. It means people from different ethnicity, different culture live together in a city, so they make it a heterogeneous mixture of population. Synonyms of heterogeneous are diverse, varied, mixed, composite, multifaceted, dissimilar. Antonyms are, first one is homogeneous. Remember, opposite of heterogeneous is homogeneous, which means uniform, identical or similar in nature. Second one is uniform, third one is identical, and the fourth one is similar.
Series of interconnected heterogeneous databases. Could you?
Third word is ephemeral. It is an adjective. Ephemeral means lasting for a very short time. Root word ephemeral is derived from the Greek word ephemeros, which means lasting a day. Examples are snowflakes are ephemeral, melting away quickly. Second one, childhood is ephemeral, passing rapidly. It means the things which are there for a very short period of time, those are ephemeral. Synonyms are transitory, fleeting, momentary, temporary, impermanent, fugitive, and brief. It means the things which are not permanent, they are ephemeral. Look at the antonyms also. First is permanent, second lasting, third enduring, fourth persistent, fifth continuous, sixth stable. The things which are stable, these are the antonyms of ephemeral.
Films are ephemeral, while books, and good ones, are eternal, or close to it.
Remember, sir, it is the ephemeral nature of things that makes them wonderful.
Next word is enthrall. It is a verb. Enthrall means to captivate or charm someone completely. Root word. The word enthrall comes from two Latin words. First is en, which means to make. or put in, and thrall, which means to hold in mental or moral bondage. Examples are: first one, the musician's performance enthralled the audience, earning a standing ovation. Second one, the beautiful painting enthralled him, captivating his imagination. Synonyms are captivate, charm, fascinate, mesmerize, enchant, hypnotize. Antonyms are bore, repel, dull, disinterest, disenchant.
The people will be enthralled.
Yes.
She's a very beautiful, very enthralling woman, Robin.
Now it is a very interesting word, nexus. Nexus is a noun, meaning connection or link between two or more things, a central or focal point. Root word nexus comes from the Latin verb nectere, which means to bind or to tie. Examples are: the social media platform acts as a nexus for people to share ideas. Second one, the researcher explored the nexus between climate change and economic growth. Synonyms of nexus are: first is connection, second link, third bond, fourth relationship, fifth hub, sixth intersection, seventh junction. Let's learn the antonyms of nexus. First is separation, second disconnection, third isolation, and fourth one disjunction.
Dude, don't unplug the hypersleep nexus.
The nexus of all space and time.
Sixth word is fastidious. It is an adjective. Fastidious meaning to be careful and precise, demanding high standards. Second one, attentive to minute details. Root word fastidious comes from Latin word fastidium, meaning disgust, distaste, or squeamishness. Originally, fastidious meant having a strong sense of disgust or distaste. Over time, its meaning expanded to include being meticulous, demanding, or having high standards. Examples: she was fastidious about her appearance, always ensuring every detail was perfect. Second one, he was fastidious in his work, double checking every calculation. It means someone who is very careful and who does not want any kind of mistake in his or her work. Let's have a look at some synonyms. First is meticulous, second one finicky, third demanding, fourth particular, fifth discriminating. Let's learn some antonyms also. First is careless, second sloppy, third lax, fourth lenient, fifth indifferent. So
He's a fastidious record keeper.
I was born fastidious.
next word is dichotomy. It is a noun.
Dichotomy meaning a sharp distinction or separation between two things.
Dichotomy is derived from Greek word dichotomia, meaning cutting in two. Dicho meaning into and tomia meaning cutting. Let's understand the word dichotomy with the help of some examples. First is, the company's business model highlights the dichotomy between profit and social responsibility. So, there are two things: profit of the company and social responsibility of the company, right? So the business model highlights the dichotomy. It means it tells the sharp distinction between profit and social responsibility of the company. I hope you understood. Second word is Her personality revealed a dichotomy between introverted and extroverted traits. It means it tells the difference between her introverted trait and extroverted trait of her personality. I hope it is clear again. Have a look at the synonyms. First one is binary opposition, second dualism, third contrast, fourth division, fifth separation, sixth distinction, and seventh is polarization. Antonyms are unity, synthesis, integration, harmony, continuum.
Dichotomy of good and evil.
This dichotomy led to a revolution.
Next word is castigate. It is a verb meaning severe criticism, harsh punishment, strong condemnation, public rebuke. Root word. The root word of the word castigate is the Latin verb castigar, meaning to discipline for a fault or lapse, reprove or censure. Examples: social media platforms have been castigated for their role in spreading misinformation. Second one, the pharmaceutical industry has been castigated for prioritizing profits over public health. Let's learn some synonyms. First one is condemn, second denounce, third rebuke, fourth reprimand, fifth scold, sixth censure, censure meaning to express severe disapproval, and last one is criticize. Antonyms are praise, commend, approve, acquit, exonerate.
Instead of castigating me, you should all be thanking me.
Second last word for the day is perfidious. It is an adjective. Perfidious meaning disloyal or treacherous, having a tendency to betray trust, unfaithful or deceitful. Root word perfidious comes from the Latin word perfidious, which means treacherous or faithless. Examples are the company's perfidious actions led to a loss of customer faith and a decline in sales. Second one, he felt betrayed by his perfidious friend who had been secretly working against him. Synonyms are treacherous, disloyal, faithless, deceitful, traitorous. Antonyms are loyal, faithful, trustworthy, reliable, honest.
That perfidious Lord Fogg trapped me in the Three Bells pub, Commissioner.
Last word for the day is meritorious, and it is an adjective, meaning deserving praise or reward, having merit or value. Second one, showing exceptional quality, skill or achievement. Root word. The root word of the word meritorious is the Latin verb merere, which means to earn. The word meritorious comes from the Latin word meritorious, which means earning money for hire, on hire. Meri means deserve or earn. Torious means having a quality or characteristic.
Examples: her meritorious work in the community earned her a prestigious award. Second one, the meritorious students were recognized for their outstanding academic achievements. Synonyms are worthy, commendable, laudable, exemplary, exceptional. Antonyms are undeserving, unworthy, inadequate, mediocre, unremarkable.
You won the Meritorious Medal of Honor last year.
And is in recognition of exceptionally meritorious service.